What's up, guys? Back with another YouTube video. So today it's a really nice day outside, so you guys haven't seen my truck yet. So I was gonna go show you guys my truck and start it and everything, so you can just check it out and see if you guys like it. I'm gonna see what the weather is outside. It is 62 degrees outside and it's sunny, so it is a beautiful day, so let's head out there. Okay, so one more thing before I head out there. I only have my permit right now. I haven't got my license yet, so I can't drive by myself. So I got a sticker, I don't know if you can read that, but it says, "Yes boys, this is my truck." And down here it's rusted. I'm going to be fixing that though. I'm gonna start my engine. Okay, so I just turned my truck off for now. So I actually have an interesting story behind this truck. So I have asked my parents for a truck for a long time, and I just turned 16. My birthday was January 1st, and I was like, I really want a truck. And then my parents came home one day, and they were talking about it, and they were like, we're thinking about getting a truck. And I was so excited. I was literally jumping up and down, screaming, oh my gosh, I'm gonna get a truck. And then a couple days later, I was looking online for a truck, and I found one that I really liked. And so we went to go check it out, and it was a really nice truck. We went to go look at it on December 22nd and of 2016, and we got it December 23rd, which is the next day. And I was so excited. It's my first truck. I'm hoping to have another truck after I get a job and all that, but for my first truck, this isn't bad. It's a 2002 Chevy Silverado 1500, so I really like it. And actually, before I bought it, my friend and I named her. We picked Angel for her name, and I love that, so that's her name. I'm actually gonna get in my bed right now, so.
And then it's on, come on, girl, kick it on back. Z71 like a Cadillac. We go way out where there ain't nobody. We turn this cornfield into a party. Pedal to the floor.
The sun is really bright. Okay. I'm just gonna sit here. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment anything you liked about my truck, or I planning on building it up or something, like doing something to it, but I really don't know exactly what yet. So if you have any suggestions, comment those and I'll think about that. And if you want to see more, subscribe. Hope you enjoyed. Peace.
Kick the dust up.